In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a translator in Python on Replit, step by step. We're going to keep this simple and beginner friendly, and the nice thing about this method is that Replit helps generate the project for you from a prompt, so you don't need to build everything manually from scratch. To get started, go to Replit. Once you're on the site, make sure you're on the main workspace or project creation area where you can interact with the prompt box. This is where Replit can help you generate a Python project based on a simple instruction. Next, move your cursor over to the prompt box. Take a moment to locate it clearly before typing, because this is the main place where you'll tell Replit what kind of app you want to create. If you're new to the platform, this box is essentially where you describe your project idea in plain language. Now type in the prompt. Make a translator using Python. Keep the wording simple and direct. Replit's tools are designed to understand straightforward requests like this, so there's no need to overcomplicate the instruction. The goal here is to clearly tell it that you want a translator project built in Python. After entering the prompt, click Send or just press Enter on your keyboard. This submits your request and tells Replit to begin generating the project. Once you do that, the platform will start processing your prompt and preparing the files and code for your translator app. At this point, Replit will create your project based on the prompt you entered. You may see it writing code, setting up files, or organizing the workspace automatically. This is normal, and it's one of the most useful parts of the process because it saves time and gives you a working starting point. Now just wait until it's fully done. This part is important because if you try to test the project too early, some files or code may still be loading or generating in the background. Give it a moment to finish completely so everything is ready to run properly. Once the generation is finished, your translator is ready to test. At that stage, you can look through the code if you want, but the main thing is that the app should now be built and available for you to try out inside Replit. This is a great way to quickly create a Python-based translation tool, especially if you're learning and want to see a practical example come together fast. And that's it. You've now used Replit to create a translator in Python from prompt to test-ready project.